Hello friends, so this is what we are to create. So this is a weather report for New Delhi. I also want to create a weather report you can see for New York. This is what I'm running. This is just a preview of what we're going to create. Report for London within the time. You can also create using these APIs, the free weather APIs. You can also generate the weather reports within your terminal. So let's dive in. So make sure that you've already imported the requests. So we're going to start with our first free weather API without API key, subscription, or authentication. So here I'm ready. So this is the URL which you're going to use to get all these requests. So http wttr.in. So the city, that's the location, just using city as a variable, and I'll equate this variable to New Delhi. So here we shall get our response, which equal to request.get URL, and so here we shall equate our data to response.text. That's what we shall use to get all the information we need, and we shall print our data. So there we shall put our data, and when we run this, so this is what we are getting. And so this is the weather report for New Delhi. The condition is hazy, and you can change this to New York. And see, we get a weather report for New York. Weather report for New York, United States of America, NYC. So the weather condition here is clear, and so I'll try to use another method, because this API has a array of ways out you can get information from this API. You can also use the format method, and I'll provide more information about this within my blog post. You can check, link is in the description, so you can change this to format free. More information is on my blog post, the link is in the description. So here we generate it like here, New York -- the other sun symbol, that's the weather condition symbol. You can also use this format, C, small c, capital C. All information about this is on my blog posts. So I want to explain more about this, and all this was called for this project is on my blog post. So if you use that, that's what we get. And if you try to go to the terminal, you can also get information, get this information within the terminal. So within the terminal, you have two methods: the queue. So we use the queue, which is CURL. So you write the URL without the HTTP, just wttr.in. So here stroke the city, and here, for example, New York, it's New York. You don't leave the space. You just join the word like New York, NEWYORK, or else you get an error. So here, weather report is clear. As the weather is clear, no rain, no sunshine, it's clear. It's normal weather. I can also try to generate a weather report within my terminal for Mumbai, that's India. Let's see what we are getting here. So here they say the report is hazy, meaning that so I also use another method to get weather reports within my terminal. I will use the wget, then the URL. So here for London, it's partly cloudy. So let me also generate the weather report for Dubai and see what we get. As you see, the report says that it's shine in Dubai, so you can try any other location of your choice. So these are just examples which you can use to modify depending on your choice. And for the final free weather API with no API key authentication required or subscription, you go on my blog post, you visit my blog post. The link is here on the screen and in the description below. I've already created it. I've provided more information. I also provided the limitations or the disadvantages of using free weather APIs. So subscribe, like and share if you find any value into this information in this video. Nice time. Bye bye.